smooth ng skin natin dito. Hi, love, sis Mima. So, share ko dito sa inyo yung whitening cream na ginagamit ko, na ito yung on-the-go use na cream, na whitening cream. So, itong cream na to na i-share ko sa inyo ngayon is meron siyang glutathione at vitamin C. Mga loves, itong products na to, whitening cream siya na meron siyang anti-aging, moisturizing, plus intensive skin repair. Kaya pala makinis ang iba at maputi yung balat nila dahil pala dito sa ginagamit na Gluta-C whitening cream, natural na nagpapakinis dito sa mukha na parang baby skin. Kaya ang gaganda ng mga balat. Kaya kung ikaw malaki yung mga pores mo at kung ikaw gusto mong kuminis na malak koreana yung kutis, mas maganda siguro na gamitin mo na itong whitening cream. Ito yung one of the best cream in the market that you can carry it anywhere with you and affordable yet perfect for brightening the skin. Maganda dito kasi nakalighten siya ng uneven skin tone, nakaka-boost din siya ng collagen production, nakaka-reduce siya ng fine lines and wrinkles, and nakaka-moisturize din siya ng skin, nakatulong din para ma-repair yung damaged skin. At ito, ginagamit ko siya in the morning and evening. Itong Gluta-C na Insta White Whitening Cream, highly effective product that delivers on its promises of whitening with the added benefits of vitamin C. It not only light the complexion but also provide nourishment to the skin. So the travel size packaging makes it convenient for the on-the-go use, and the affordable price point make it accessible to a wide range for consumers. However, the small quantity of 5 ml may not last long for regular use. Overall, this product is a great option for those looking for an affordable and effective whitening cream. So what I like about this product, convenient travel size packaging, contain siya ng vitamin C for added skincare benefits, and affordable price point, effective for whitening properties, and easy accessible din siya on Shopee Philippines or sa Watson. Pwede nyo siya bilhin tong Gluta-C. Mabibili nyo din to sa, meron yung link dyan, ilalagay ko sa description box, so check nyo na lang. So yung hindi ko nagustuhan dito is small quantity 5 ml, may not last long. Nagtatanong dyan kung ano ba talaga yung whitening cream na maganda gamitin. So ito yung i-try nyo, itong Gluta-C. Nasagot ko ng maayos yung about dito sa pampawhitening ng cream. So kung meron pa mga tanong, comment lang kayo sa baba. So ayun lang, I hope nakatulong, and kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!